Hey everybody, it's Addie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper origami cat. So let's get started. First off, we will need a origami and a marker or something to draw with. First, we're going to fold the top corner down to the bottom corner. Then we're going to fold each side up to the top point. If you watched my cute animal bookmark video, you'll know these are the first two steps. Now we're going to fold the points down. Flip it over and it should look like this. We're going to fold each one out, just halfway. Then we're going to flip over it, and it should look like this. We're then going to draw the face. 2 eyes. Your cat should look like this. I hope you watched the video. I hope you make the cat. And I wish you could like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.